My name is Edna, I'm one of your city managers here, and welcome to the Hurricane Prep video. Because one of the stuff to do in Houston that we have are hurricanes. So crazy enough, we want to get you prepared for the next coming months. And some things that we have for you are a hurricane preparedness kit. Let's start off with the propane stove. It's a camping stove that is wonderful for camping, but even more wonderful when you lose power through crazy weather. Saved our lives during the winter storm. And don't forget the propane bottles. If you don't have any, you will definitely need these to warm up your food. Next, non-perishable food items that can last you for 3 days, depending on your household. So we have soups, we have some veggies, we have some tuna, and we have some beans for a household of 2. Definitely just the right amount of toilet paper and some paper towels just in case. Some hand sanitizers in case you run out of water. And when the news does say that there's going to be a hurricane and it's going to hit in a couple days, get ready to fill up your bathtub with some water, because you will need that just in case you need to, flush that toilet. But if you need drinking water, gallons of water are definitely the biggest lifesaver. And if you run out of power, like I said before, for cooking, propane stove, but you'll also need some lights. So we got the lantern, we have a couple flashlights, and batteries. Batteries, because if you forget to replace your batteries in an old flashlight you've had for a while, you'll definitely need to replace those when you lose that power. And of course, candles. Candles are also a huge lifesaver when it comes to losing power, because if you don't have flashlights, you don't have a lantern, candles are another great way to go. But I hope this was able to help you out. I hope we were able to get you prepared for the next coming months. And if you have any other concerns, we do have a blog in the description below to help you out with even more information on how to get you better prepared for the hurricane season. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will always be posting videos for you of all the amazing stuff to do in Houston. This just happens to be hurricane season, and it just happens to be the first week of it, so we wanted to get you prepared for what's to come. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next video.